All right, guys. So welcome back to the class. This is the plugin extension and action class. We also talk about LOT as well. Okay, so I'll be explaining more about how to create actions, how to use actions, how to create LOT, how to use LOT, how to install them in Photoshop, how to use plugins to retouch, and how to install them as well. Okay, so but before that, you can get this, this pack. This is the complete retouching pack. We also have the premium retouching pack. You can get them in our store. It's not actually free, but right now it's on discounts. You can get them. So I just want to show you what's actually inside. Now, this is the pack. This is the pack. We have a lot of plugins inside. We also have a lot of lots and gradients and actions and plugins. So once you purchase this pack, this is what you're going to get inside the pack. Just a quick one. You're going to get all this inside the pack, and this as well, the mega pack. All of these are inside the pack already. So we have gradients, we have a lot of actions and the rest. So but let's start with the first one, which is the pack 1. Okay, so now we'll have the plugins. There are a lot of plugins. I'm just going to open up this one so that you can see the plugins that are inside. So you can see now that the plugins are a lot of plugins. We have Retouch for Memoir, Infinity, Complete Skin Retouching, Beautify, which is also known as Retouch Academy, which is all the Retouch Academy, Top Retouch, Ultimate Retouch, and so many more. So we have like 25 plugins inside of that. And we also have overlays. So the Venus retouch as well is very, very important for you to get the Venus. So we have overlay over a lot of overlay inside of it. So this is it. So now the overlay is grouped into light flares. We have light flares and the rest. So action files, flares, how to start. These are just a lot of light, and you can use them for your graphics design and the rest of. Okay, so we also have gradients, a lot of gradients, skin tone gradients as well. But you can see this is 1500 Photoshop action bundle. These are gradients, action gradients, and these are normal gradients. Okay, so these are normal gradient, halftone gradient. We have the matte retouch skin gradient, which is I think this is available on my YouTube page for download. So the matte retouch skin gradient, it's actually sampled from all type of skin tones, so you don't necessarily need to start looking for skin tones that work for your image. You can just grab one of that. So that's for the gradients. We also have gradients in I think this one as well, the matte retouch mega bundle pack. There are color grading tutorials. There are color brown skin preset. This is another skin gradient. You can actually see big Lightroom preset. This is a Lightroom preset if you want to use it on Lightroom and the rest stuff. Okay, so they are all of there. This is another Photoshop action. Okay, so I guess this is available for download. Okay, so now we have actions, a lot of actions also inside of it. You can see actions. We have this shadow skin treatment and all of that, mid retouch stylization. Those are created by me. So a lot of Beautify Photoshop action. So some plugin also work with all these actions. So that's just inside. We have studio background, a lot of studio background 1 and 2 and all of the rest studio background. So there are plenty. 5, we have a lot of them studio background. We have 6 as well, many studio background which are actually there for you to use. Okay, so that's for studio background. And also what's the last one? Snoots. Yeah, we have snoot effect. I think this snoot is passworded, right? And I'm just gonna give you the password, but we have a lot of snoots. I believe we can zoom it in, but let me just show you some sample. Let me go back and show you some example of snoots. Okay, so snoots like this. These are snoots effect. So there are many more. You have almost more than 200 snoots inside of that. Anyway, so that's for snoots and skin tone gradient pack and all of the rest. So they are all much. Now if you go to the premium one, which is also will be given out as discounts, we have PNG overlay. So these are for your studio background. You want to you want to just do your photo manipulation. We have petals, we have all of these there are PNG files you can use for your studio shots and do work on your background. We have there are so many things that inside I can't even tell, but all the things you need are right inside here. And we have the new latest audio camera raw filter. You can actually get it. Okay, so all of these are going to make available once you get the download link is in the store below. So right now I'm actually going to show you how to use some of the plugins and how to download, sorry, not how to download, it's easier to download, how to install this actions lots, how to create them, and how to use them in Photoshop. Okay, so videos are already available. You can start purchasing right now. So let's start.